Ladies and gentlemen, let's shine the spotlights on these two jackasses because we need to make them much more famous. These two are none other than Elephant Man and Ragging King, but chief among them is Elephant Man. We know of course that he is not the sharpest tool in the shed, but we give him a pass because we love his music and he is the energy god of course. But this transgression and the lack of care and empathy for his fellow brothers and sisters here in Jamaica cannot be overlooked. So the artist and his team recently returned to the island from a European tour. It is alleged that he falsified immigration paperwork by failing to declare all the countries with which he had visited in the past 6 weeks. Of course, this is not really alleged, it is a formality to not get sued. We know that the nasty piece of shit did not declare where he was coming from. Now, Crystal Hall, an apparent immigration officer, God bless our soul, became a whistleblower by sharing with us, John Public, in a voice note indicating that Elephant Man visited several countries which we would consider high risk. We all know the climate with which we are living in, and the coronavirus, whether you believe it to be a conspiracy, is real.
No, I'm talking about Elephant Man. He lied on his declaration form. That's one. That's an offense. He was asked by the officer, me, Crystal Hall, were you in Germany? He denied it.
Now, by virtue of that voice note, the pressure was apparently placed on him. And he is now left with no other choice but to, one, declare that he had in fact lied on his immigration information, which is of course a chargeable offense. But let's now give the entertainer a break, people. He has apologized in a video indicating that he would not put anybody's lives at risk.
I really sincerely apologize to the staff at the Sangsters International Airport and the Minister of Health and the people of Jamaica. I also want to apologize for any misunderstanding in the way I incorrectly completed the form.
Consider that Elephant Man is an entertainer. You know how much people out there frightened for this man? You know how much people him could have mixed and mingle with if he is in fact exposed? And for those of you out there saying that the girl or the woman should not have put out the voice note, I have some choice words for you people. Just inbox me. This is what ignorance and arrogance do. You see, the coronavirus, one great and interesting thing about it, it is the great equalizer. It no care about your creed, your gender, or your friggin' social class. And Minister Tufton, there is nothing really and truly to investigate. He clearly lied on his immigration declaration form, which is a chargeable offense, and he, in my opinion, should be prosecuted and face the full force of the law. If we're not going to be serious about this thing, people, then we just might as well leg up everybody and not just the indigent of our society. That's all me have to say, people. Anyways, like, share, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks again for watching. This is The Rotted Show, and I am Kemar. Later. Peace.